Press the letter D, enter your manager code. Press No until the panel reads Wi-Fi setup. Press Yes 3 times to confirm setup. Open up Wi-Fi settings on a Wi-Fi capable device. Connect to the system's ID as shown on the alarm panel. The password will be the same as the system ID as shown at the top of the screen. Once connected, open up a web browser on the device. Go to the page 19.168.0.1. Select the SSID of the Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Enter the password for your chosen Wi-Fi. Press the green tick. Once connected to network, we can exit the menu. Press Yes, then No until Wi-Fi setup appears. Press A to leave the manager's menu.